Welcome to Caption Call Mobile for Apple iOS. We're thrilled to bring you our industry-leading telephone captioning service for people with hearing loss to your mobile device. This short video will walk you through the initial setup and provide an overview of the app. To download the app, tap the Apple Store icon on your device and search Caption Call. Tap Get, and the Caption Call mobile app will begin downloading to your device. The Apple Store requires you to enter your Apple ID to download an app. If you don't recall your Apple ID, contact Apple support. When using the app for the first time, you'll need your Caption Call username and password. You'll also need to grant permission to use the microphone and contacts. If you don't already have an account or have forgotten your credentials, simply tap on the links at the bottom of the login screen or call Caption Call customer support at 877-557-2227. The first time you log into the app, you will be asked to acknowledge the limitations of E911 and verify your emergency address. This is for emergency personnel should you need to dial 911. This address can be updated at any time in the app settings. Depending on your device, you may be able to enable Face ID or Touch ID from the Caption Call app home screen. This will speed up the logging in process. After verifying your address, you will be presented with your new number associated with Caption Call Mobile. This number will appear as your caller ID when using Caption Call Mobile and should be given to people so you can receive calls with captions. This number is also available for easy reference in the settings menu. Contact your carrier to learn more about how to forward calls to your Caption Call number. After completing the first time setup, you will see the main screen. Simply dial a number and press the green call button to make a call. Captions will automatically begin when a call connects. At the bottom of the screen, you can mute your microphone, switch your audio to speakerphone or a connected Bluetooth device, bring up the dial pad, turn captions off, or end the call. When someone calls you, answer it just like a regular cell phone call. If you receive a call when your phone is locked, please tap on the Caption Call logo to receive captions. You may be prompted to unlock your phone before captioning begins. On the main screen, there are 5 menu items on the bottom. Recents provides a list of placed and received calls. Simply tap on the name or number to place a call. For more details about the call, you can tap on the information circle. Saved Calls provides a list of saved captions from previous calls. Tap on the name or number to see the saved captions. Contacts is where you can store phone numbers of family, friends, and others who are important to you. If you're already a Caption Call user or you allowed your cell phone contacts to be shared, you will already see your contacts imported. Simply tap a contact to review their saved numbers and then tap the number you want to call. Tapping on the voicemail icon will call your message inbox. As a first-time user, you'll be asked to enter the default PIN of 1234. Tap the dial pad icon found on the bottom of the call window to enter the PIN. After this initial process, you will be taken to your voicemail inbox. Lastly, the settings screen enables you to review several important account details and features. For example, your new phone number, caption font size, default caption language, English or Spanish, contact sort order, emergency address should you need to update it. Thank you for watching our brief tour. We hope you enjoy Caption Call Mobile for Apple iOS. Should you have any further questions, please contact Caption Call customer support at 877-557-2227.